Welcome back, Daniela here again, and I'll be creating with the May kits today. The main kit and also the pocket life kit and the embellishment kit, and I grabbed the color kit, the cardstock kit and the pretty metal dies to create some beautiful flowers. All right, so I started my page by spraying some ink on the white cardstock, and I really like the pink color here. And yeah, it is only a light background color if you dry the color immediately. And now I also want to use some stamps, and we have this beautiful watercolor this month. And yeah, I'm working with the background stamps here. I decided to go for circles because I will have various circle elements on my page later. So I'm just adding circles in yellow, and this is my common element which will be all over my page in the end. So this is the background, and I also want to use a big paper stripe. So I fell in love with this pattern paper. I love the stripes, the colors, and I just liked this diagonal touch. So I cut a big stripe and place it here on top of my background. And now I will build a big cluster. So I only have a small picture this time. I have a small picture in circle form, and yeah, I want to back it with paper, so I just cut out a circle from the orange stars pattern paper, and I also cut different circles from the project Live or from the Pocket Pages cards. So there are different circles that you can go for, and we also have circles in the die cut set. So you just choose whatever you need. Here is the first one. I also cut more of them, and I just spread them around my page, also like this doily kind of circle from the Pocket Pages kit. And now I just fix them, and this is the main cluster I'll be working with. And I really love the flowers that we can build when working with a die cut metal die set. And yeah, you can choose from a lot of different colors. You can work with pattern papers, or you can work with cardstock, and this way you always have the perfect color at hand. So you see that this is one of the flowers I built from the Cardstock Kit, and I really love the fact that we have texture on the flowers, because there is also kind of embossing when using the metal dies. And yeah, this is a nice way to add dimension and different details. And here I also add a few leaves and branches just to have even more dimension. And yeah, you can build so many different clusters if you want to, because the flowers come in different sizes. You can choose from different leaves and put them together in different clusters. So there is a big variety of possibilities what to do with those flowers. All right, you see that this is yeah, a playful cluster with circles. The flowers also are kind of circles, and I also need to add a few details on the big white spaces that I have left on some of the circles. So that is what my embellishments need to do to cover all this white space. And I really wanted to use this title, and we can choose from different titles this month. We have alphabet stickers, we have word stickers, we have so many different possibilities again. That is what I love about all the hip kits, because each month we get so many different materials to choose from. And yeah, it's always such a pleasure working with them. And I also like this little tag that comes in the die cut set. And I just placed this one here with a baker twine. And now I also add some stickers, epoxy stickers and puffy stickers, and this way I cover up the white space. Should be too strong. And here we have a lot of epoxy hearts in beautiful colors, and I also add one of these buttons. All right. If you want to check out all the kits, just visit the website. There you can see all the details, and everything is still in stock, so you can still grab your favorite items. And if you want to see how to put these flowers together, I know that Anke did a video where you can see how she puts the different pieces together, so you can follow her along and see how the flowers are built. Okay, so another thing that comes this month are the washi stickers, and I just add two of those here to have another material, and I really like that you can see through it, and yeah, it's a different way to fix something, and also a nice addition to all the other papers that we got. Well, just some finishing details, and then this is my layout, and I had so much fun playing with all the beautiful little and tiny items. The only big piece that I have on my page is the big paper stripe, and all the rest just tiny circles, stickers, and the die cut pieces. Well, I hope you liked my way of using the metal dies and all the other items of the kit, and thank you so much for watching again, and see you soon. Take care, have fun, scrapping along, and bye bye.